How to use an input field text box in PowerShell GUI. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use an input field or text box in a PowerShell Windows.Forms application. Text boxes are essential for gathering input from users. Let's dive into how to create and display a text box in a GUI application. To start, we need to load the libraries to access the GUI components. We include the necessary libraries for creating Windows.Forms applications. Next, let's create a new form that will serve as the main window for our application. This line initializes a new form. Now we're ready to add a text box. Now let's create a text box that users can type into. Here we create a new text box object. This will allow users to enter text data. Next, we need to add the text box to our form so it becomes visible to the users. We include the text box in the form's controls. Now users can see the text input field. Finally, let's display our form with the text box. The command Show Dialog opens our form and keeps it on the screen until closed. Now let's see this in action. Let's review the entire code snippet we've created today. Now let's execute this code to see our form with the text box displayed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a text box to your PowerShell Windows Forms application for user input. Happy coding!